15 Tips for a Stress-Free Marriage. Hello, viewers. Welcome to Calm Mind Movement. Here you will find exclusive content to help you reduce stress, relax, and live a more focused and joyous life. Stress has a big impact on our body, mind, and emotions. We are well capable to handle stress in tiny doses, but when that stress becomes long-term or chronic, it can have significant consequences for your physical, mental, and emotional health. We want to provide you with the best information and tools to feel more at peace and live a joyous and healthy life. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to receive instant notifications of our current videos. Marriages can be stressful events, and while relationship stress is widespread in couples, you are not alone in having problems with your partner. Marriage is supposed to bring you happiness and warm feelings of support and affection. Unfortunately, relationships suffer difficulties from a relationship to time, causing us to feel pressured, apprehensive, worried, or otherwise unbalanced. Most couples experience stress due to their relationship, which can lead to depression, heart disease, and hypertension. When we talk about stress in marriages, we are talking about interpersonal conflicts as a source of unhealthy relationships. The good news is that when partners are aware of stressful triggers, they can avoid a lot of stress in their marriages. There is wonderful news to report. When both parties are aware of stressful triggers, much of the stress in a marriage can be avoided. Here are 15 ways to relieve stress in your marriage. 1. Always put your spouse first. This is an important principle for lowering relationship stress. In an ideal world, a husband and wife prioritize each other, but you can only manage your actions. 2. Have fun together. Movies, walks, picnics, games, and travels provide not just entertainment, but also comedy. Laughing together is good for your relationship. 3. Build together time into your schedule. Time spent with your spouse should not be considered a waste of time. All other objectives and schedules take a backseat to your relationship with your spouse. If that means scribbling "relax together" in a permanent marker on the calendar, so be it. 4. Don't sweat the small stuff. Is this a moral issue? Ask yourself when you first see signs of stress. If it isn't, which is almost always isn't, then let it go. Make your shared priorities a regular topic of discussion. Remind yourself of what matters most. Make your life easier. Celebrate the strengths you share. 5. Give back and do it together. Volunteer at a soup kitchen. Join a faith-based organization. Join a group that aids the less fortunate or repairs the environment. Put yourself and your friends into philanthropic initiatives and see how things change. 6. Forgive quickly. When one individual holds a grudge, marriages frequently fall apart. According to research, feelings of contempt for your partner nearly always fester and, if not addressed, can lead to divorce. As quickly as possible, forgive your partner. Remember that forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself as well. Grudges take up mental and emotional space, and they nearly always have a negative influence on your health and stress levels. Choose forgiveness, and you will reap the rewards, whether improved sleep or stress reduction. If you have hurt your partner, express your regret and ask for forgiveness. Pay attention to what they're saying and figure out why they're upset. Tell them you'll think about how you can do things differently in the future. 7. Laugh and have fun. Don't take yourself too seriously and keep a sense of fun. Let loose and have a good time together. Every day, laugh. Laughter relieves stress and lowers blood pressure, relaxes muscle tension, and strengthens the immune system. It will also assist you in your sexual life. 8. Learn to say no. It's perfectly acceptable to say no to things you don't have time for or have no interest. You'll feel resentful if you say yes because you're afraid of what someone could say or think. Be honest with yourself and with one another. To check in with each other, say maybe, and then make a choice. 9. Give each other space. The perfect amount of time spent together is one of the most difficult things to strike in a marriage. Too much can feel oppressive, while too little can be inattentive. Offer to keep the kids or do errands for your partner when they need some alone time or a night out with friends. You should, however, set aside time to spend with your partner. If babysitting or financial constraints prevent you from going out, arrange an enjoyable, low-cost romantic night at home. The important thing is that you both make an effort to spend quality time together while also allowing each other to have a separate social life. 10. Work on wellness. It's easy to fall into the habit of being overly casual, especially if you've been together for a long time. Consider how you used to prepare for date night by doing an at-home manicure, having a new shave and haircut, or picking nice clothing. There are numerous methods to feel energized and appealing. Maintaining your physical health improves your self-esteem and sense of well-being. It may also be used to spend quality time with your partner, whether you're trying a new gym class, training for a 5K, or preparing healthy meals together. Remember the adage, you don't have to remember what you said the previous time you told the truth. People who don't conceal secrets in their relationships have less stress. 11. Hold hands, hug, and make out. Physical interaction has been shown to reduce stress. Squeeze into the same chair to watch television. Just lean on each other. While strolling, driving, or at an event, reach out and hold your spouse's hand. Make a conscious effort to show affection through physical contact. 12. Play to your strengths and hers. Effective teachers understand that focusing on a student's weaknesses is counterproductive. Build up, praise, and support your spouse's positive qualities. Criticism always causes greater stress. 13. Live within your means. Money marriages are the most common source of marital stress in the United States. Take preventative actions to resolve this issue. Don't sweat the small stuff. The majority of the debt we accumulate is simply not worth the stress. 14. Share financial expectations. Finances are a source of contention in many marriages. When it comes to money, couples frequently have conflicting expectations. It can be tough for either partner to see the financial position from the other's point of view. A successful marriage requires you to agree about how your money will be handled. Make a budget, a debt management strategy, and a plan to live within your means. It's also crucial to distinguish between wants and necessities. While both are valid, couples may run into difficulties if they try to fulfill all their desires without considering their finances. 15. Have date nights. Continue wooing your spouse as another technique to keep the flame blazing in your marriage. Make time for a date night at least once a week, even if it's only to get ice cream or to try a new meal. If money is an issue, consider babysitting for another couple searching for a date night. You can also simply stroll around the mall or go to the park with the infant in a stroller. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video on 15 best tips to make your marriage stress-free. Please subscribe to our channel and leave your in the comment section below. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the following fascinating videos to attain a more calm, joyous, and stress-free life. And again, if you have any questions or comments, our professional team is always happy to help you. Until the following video, take care, have a great day, and goodbye.